We recently sat down with Max Paeslack, CEO of Zerma, Shanghai, to talk partnership, performance, and what's ahead for the recycling industry. Here's what he had to say about working with Telford Smith.
My name is Max Paeslack. I'm the CEO of Zerma Shanghai, and I'm very happy to be here in Australia to talk to you guys about Zerma's relationship with Telford Smith. Telford Smith and us, we've been working together for, I think, about 20 years now. And it just happened that Telford Smith needed a reliable partner for size reduction equipment and found us, and we found each other, and it was a good match, and we've been happy working together for that time. Telford Smith was a great opportunity for us because we had no representation in the Australasian market before that time, and they seem to be, and still are, a company that knows the market very well, has a strong technical background, and are well respected in the local market. Working with the people here at Telford Smith has been fantastic. I mean, they're all very hard working, but also fun-loving and not serious when they have to be, but also fun when they don't have to be. So we've been spending many hours together at exhibitions or all over the world, meeting each other and discussing projects and work. It's been great. Yeah, again, it's a very good mix of professional attitude, knowing a good technical background, knowing about what the customers need and caring about what the customers need, and then also, again, being very good, open, friendly people. More than 20 years, there have been so many projects, all of them being very interesting. I think the phase about maybe 15 years back, when we were installing and setting up lots of pipe shredders here in the country, some very remote locations have been really memorable because it's a machine that is in the middle of nowhere, but it solves a problem for a customer. So that's been great. I like very much about working with Telford Smith that they have a very strong sense of what the customers need and technical understanding, and help us integrate our machines into bigger systems by using their experience in systems design and helping the customer achieve what they want to achieve. Having a good location here with the capabilities, technical capabilities to do customizations, to do service for customers, and a very strong understanding of the market needs and the technical capabilities in designing and building and complementing our machines to make complete plants. That's very, very helpful and sort of unique in the field of agencies. 3 words would be dedication, commitment, and passion. I think the team here is very dedicated to solving problems for a customer, helping customers, and they're committed to doing the right thing, committed to providing the best equipment, the best solution to customers, and passion, of course, because they're very passionate about what they do, trying to do everything to the best of their abilities, and also they can be quite passionate and fun outside of work. During this trip, I learned, and talking to the team here, there are things that can be improved. Communication between the two companies on both sides, sharing of new developments, sharing of projects, successful or unsuccessful. But really, I think communication is important, and I think having meetings like this more regularly will also be helpful. I think Telford Smith is really on the forefront of working with advanced systems design and implementation, trying to, because of course Australia being a big country with lots of remote areas, making it easier to troubleshoot a customer system without having to physically be there. So helping us also to improve in that regard for modern communication with the machine and modern troubleshooting. So that's something I think Telford Smith is really at the forefront of. Every time seeing the guys during exhibitions, coming here, talking, having fun, but also seriously discussing projects and machines is always good. It's a very good crew, a very good team that works well together, and we're always happy to meet each other, of course. But of course not to another company that's making size reduction. No. And they're ours. No, I think we're very happy. It's been 20 years, and let's see, I hope we go for at least another 20.
Our thanks to Max for sharing his perspective and knowledge to the Telford Smith team. We're proud of the partnership and friendship we have developed and excited for what's next.